Hi, this is Tom Cronkright, and I want to talk about buyers, guys, and what we can do to further protect their interest in the transaction. They are just exposed, and this year we've had one of the worst on record with fraudsters really honing in on trying to steal their closing proceeds as they're wired to title and settlement companies. So what we can do, my thought is, let's look at the timing. Let's try to put time on our side. When are we getting their identity information? When do we identify who is the buyer? And while we might not know if they're going to wire funds in or they're going to be a certified check, we actually don't need that right off the bat. What we need to do is tell them that we have a problem. A fraudster may sneak in and impersonate your title company or your attorney and try to put fraudulent wiring information in your hands. So at the time that we take the loan application, there should be a notice there. The time that we open up a file order and start the search and examination process, when the CD goes out, and when the closing's scheduled, right? We've got to have checkpoints along the way where we take on as an industry significantly the obligation to notify and refresh their memory to stay on high alert. And once we get that and we kind of cement that in their minds, I think once it gets to closing and they decide how they're going to bring in the funds, they're less apt to be tricked last minute and wire off to a fraudster. So something to think about. Look at your process, look at those touch points, and when you communicate, and let's weave in more communication and education around the wire fraud threat, frankly, and what they can do.